All right, let's talk about something that could change your financial future. Picture this. It's the end of 2025, and your investment portfolio is looking so good that your past self would high-five you. Sounds great, right? Well, it's not magic, it's strategy. And today I'm here to share the best ETFs you can invest in for growth this year. Whether you're a beginner or someone who casually whispers diversification in their sleep, let's dive in. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why ETFs are amazing. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like those pre-packed snack boxes you see at the store. You're not just buying one stock, you're buying a whole mix of them in one package. This means you're spreading your money across different companies, which helps reduce risk. But here's the best part. They're low maintenance. You don't need to check stock charts 24/7 or understand the inner workings of corporate America. In short, ETFs let you grow your money without having to give up your free time. And let's be honest, time is money, right? Let's kick things off with a classic, Vanguard Growth ETF, or VUG. This ETF focuses on large-cap growth stocks, which are basically the superstars of the stock market. We're talking about companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, the kind of businesses that make headlines for smashing revenue records. If you're looking for steady long-term growth, VUG is like your dependable friend who always reminds you to save for retirement. Just remember, growth stocks can be a little volatile in the short term, so don't freak out if you see some dips. It's all part of the process. Next up, we have ARKK. Now, if VUG is the responsible adult in the room, ARKK is your cool, slightly unpredictable cousin who's always talking about the future. ARKK focuses on disruptive innovation, companies doing cutting-edge stuff in tech, healthcare, and even space exploration. Think Tesla, Zoom, and companies working on robotics and genomics. Here's the deal. ARKK is not for the faint of heart. It's high risk, high reward. 1 month it's up 15%, the next month it's down 10%. But if you're okay with a little turbulence, this ETF could deliver some serious long-term growth. Just don't put your rent money here, okay? Next on the list is QQQ. This ETF tracks the NASDAQ 100, which includes the top 100 non-financial companies on the NASDAQ exchange. Translation: it's loaded with tech giants like Google, Meta, and Nvidia. QQQ is perfect for anyone who believes tech is the future. And let's be honest, if you're watching this on a smartphone or laptop, you're already benefiting from these companies. It's like investing in the backbone of the digital world, without having to bet on individual winners. Plus, the returns on QQQ have been pretty solid historically, so it's a great choice for growth-focused investors. Now let's talk about the underdogs, small-cap growth stocks. The iShares Russell 2000 Growth ETF, or IWO, focuses on smaller companies that have tons of potential. These are the businesses that could grow into the next Apple or Tesla, if everything goes right. The upside, huge growth potential. The downside, small-cap stocks can be pretty volatile, so this one's not for the faint of heart. But hey, if you're willing to take a bit of a gamble, IWO could be your ticket to some impressive returns. Last but not least, we have SCHB, the Schwab US Broad Market ETF. This ETF is like a one-stop shop for the entire U.S. stock market. You're getting exposure to large-cap, mid-cap, and small-cap stocks all in one place. It's low-cost, diversified, and perfect for anyone who just wants to set it and forget it. Honestly, if you're new to investing and don't know where to start, SCHB is a great option. Think of it as the all-you-can-eat buffet of ETFs. It's got a little bit of everything. All right, so how do you pick the right ETF? It all comes down to your goals. If you're looking for steady, reliable growth, go with VUG or SCHB. Feeling adventurous? ARKK or IWO might be your jam. The key is knowing your risk tolerance and how long you're planning to invest. And remember, investing is like planting a tree. It takes time to grow, so don't panic if you don't see instant results. So there you have it, the best ETFs for growth in 2025. Whether you're looking for reliable returns or ready to take a swing for the fences, there's something here for everyone. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. It's like tipping your favorite financial bartender. And don't stop there. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's make 2025 the year we crush our financial goals together. See you in the next one.